Laba Moments here. Hello and welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, karibu sana, welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to start your own podcast using 3 important tools: 2 mobile applications and your smartphone. So the 2 mobile applications I'm talking about is, as you can see on my screen, the first one is Anchor, which enables you to record yourself as you speak using your phone, edit the audio, add background music to it, and publish it as as an episode to your podcast. And then the second application is called Canva, which you've already seen in a number of my videos. If again you're an avid consumer of my content, you already know what Canva is. And Canva basically enables you to edit and design beautiful profile photos, YouTube thumbnails, and many other things. So we'll use this Canva to be able to design a profile photo for our podcast. So if you like this content, please leave me a like. And also, if you haven't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button down below. And also don't forget to leave me a comment on what you think about this kind of content and also what you'd like to see in the next video. So let's begin. So let's click on Canva. And you can download these applications from, if you're using Android, you can download it from the Play Store. If you're using iPhone, of course, you can be able to download it from your Apple Store. So once you open Anchor, it allows you to do the following. You can be able to discover other people's podcasts. For example, you can see podcasts by The Mike Show below, and most of these podcasts have been designed or created using Anchor. Also, under tools, you can be able now to record yourself or create an episode to your podcast and begin basically your journey to starting and running a successful podcast. And then when you click on your podcast, you can be able to see details of your podcast. For example, this is a podcast I started a while back, and I created only 2 episodes, I think sometime in September, and it gives me a list of the episodes that I've created, and also analytics, basically the number of plays, and also types of the top episodes, and also my audience details. I have a number of people from the United States, and then Kenya, and then Germany. So let's click on tools and create a new episode. So if you're starting to use Anchor for the first time, of course your podcast account will be empty. So the first step would be to record yourself first. So let's click on tools, the plus icon. It says tap here to add audio to this episode. So let's click on that. And then down below, you can see there are so many things you can do with podcasts. You can record a voice message, or you can record your podcast. There's also the library that stores everything that you've recorded, interludes, which you can add to your recording, and also music that you can also add to your recording. So let's go to record and then click on record. So let's record a message, a welcome message, and then save it, and then you can be able to add background music to it. So when you're done, you can be able to click on add background music and be able to select from a wide list of free background music provided by Anchor. So this is a list. You can favorite what you like so that you can be able to use it as often as possible, and then you can select any other. So let's select topic, and then we'll be able to listen in on it so that you hear whether the background music and the audio are in sync, or you like what you hear. And if you like what you hear, you can be able to go ahead and save it. And once you've saved it, you can be able to make more changes to it. For example, if you wish to edit the background music and change it to something else, you can be able to do that. If you wish to split the audio into different episodes with different background music, you can be able to do that, of course, using Anchor application. When you like what you hear, again down there you can be able to click on save, and then give a name to this episode that you've recorded. So maybe you can call it welcome. then add recording to episode, and voila, the episode will be processed. And once it is done, you can be able again at the top to publish it if you feel that work is final and there's no more changes that you'd want to add to it. And should you want to preview it before you publish it, you can be able to do so. So once our recording is ready, we can be able to edit it further so that these 3 dots next to the audio recording that we've recorded, we can click on them. And then you can see the number of things you can be able to amend on your recording. You can be able to edit the background music and maybe change it to something of that you like. So when you click on edit, it will take you back to the list that we had seen earlier. Also, when you click on the 3 dots again, you can be able to edit the audio. If you want to split it further to maybe 3 episodes, you can be able to do that. If you want to listen in on it, at the top here, there's a play button. You can listen in on it.
Oh, and welcome to my podcast. My name is Lightbulb.
So when you're done splitting, of course, you would click on save so that it will automatically save edits. And then again, also, you can be able to rename the segment if you don't like the name that you're given it. So yeah, once you're done making those changes, you can be able to publish it. Let's click on publish. So when you click on publish, it will ask you to give your episode a title. You can give it welcome, give it a description, my description. It's good to give a description that will have tags that are searchable. So whenever people search something that you've spoken about, your podcast will be recommended. This can be season 2, and then give it as episode 1, or it can be season 1, whichever, and then publish it. Now, so when you publish it, it will tell you share this episode to as many people as possible. Also, if you had not created an account already, it would have requested you to also. The next step would have been for you to create your account. So essentially, in your podcast account, you will be requested to upload a photo. So like, for example, this the image that I have used for my podcast, which I created using Canva. And then it will ask you to create your podcast name, a description of your podcast, the category of your podcast. Are you talking about art? Is your podcast about business, maybe financing stuff and how to invest? Is it a comedy? Is it educational? Is it about drama, government, history, fitness, kids and family, leisure, etc.? So you can decide where your podcast is going to focus on. And then is your podcast in English, etc. And then options, anchor logo on cover. And then again, if your content has explicit words that you will use, such as the F word, you can enable that so that Anchor knows that your content needs to be distributed to the right audience. And when you're done, you will, of course, save your podcast details, and then you'll go ahead and publish. So for me, my publishing step did not have the step for creating a podcast profile because I'd already have something. So you can see the episode that we've just created is here, and I can click on it and listen to it.
Hello and welcome to my podcast. My name is Lightbulb Moments. So on this podcast,
yeah, so that's it. That's how you create your content, and Anchor will take it upon themselves to distribute it through their various distribution channels, and mostly for people to listen in on this in our country. If you share the link, it might not be possible for them to listen in on it without having installed Anchor, the application. So ensure if you as you share it with your friends and family, please ask them to have installed Anchor. Hope your journey to starting your podcast can begin now. No more excuses. This is 2020. Take up this challenge start this journey and enjoy it. So all the best. Once you start your podcast, please share it with me on the comment section and I can be able to listen in on your content. I hope that this has been helpful. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so.